Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide Instagram photos without deleting them. How to hide Instagram photos without deleting them. So let's say you want to hide a particular photo, or what you do is tap on your profile card at the bottom and then you tap on the post you want to hide or the photo you want to hide. There's a photo, there's a post, only one. Then you tap on three dots at the top of it and then you tap on archive, and this way it's successfully hidden it from whoever you want to hide it from. Now the next thing, you want to bring it back, just simply go back like this and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you see under how you use Instagram, you tap on archive and then tap on the three dots again. Tap on the post itself, tap on the three dots and then tap on show on profile, and it's restored. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to hide posts on Instagram without deleting them.